So here we have the console here to operate the dump and the PTO and your air actuator for your back tailgate door on it. It's an automatic transmission, a 2000 series Allison transmission. In order for us to turn on the PTO here, we would definitely, the truck is in neutral. If I try to put on the PTO, the gears are gonna clash. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in drive, have the transmission kind of stop, put in my PTO in, and then I'm gonna turn it, put it back into neutral. So there I should have my PTO running. I'm gonna go ahead, raise or lower. I'm gonna go ahead and raise it up. And here we got my dump going up. It does have an automatic cut-off switch that it has a limit switch, what it is, and it will cut off at its mostly highest point. It can be adjusted if you want to go a little bit higher, or maybe you want to don't go so high. You can also adjust that. Now, as soon as I kick back this to neutral and lower it, the PTO automatically turns off. So that's what we want to do. That's the procedure of engaging the PTO without having gears clashing each other at the time of operation. So neutral, drive, turn on PT here, and you can go back to neutral, and the PTO is running. And otherwise, you can just either kick it out or from here, or I automatically will kick out whenever it's lower. And so we'll go outside now and we'll see the full operation of the dump body itself.